Hi, I'm Howard Fleischmann Sr. with Community Tire Pros and Auto Repair. One of the questions I hear is, how do I find a good technician? That happens a lot when people come new to the Valley and they've got no friends or acquaintances yet to get that information. We all love that direct recommendation. But the way to get that today is to go online. What you're really looking for is the few bad reviews they have. How do they respond? Do they try and react with the customer? Do they try and solve it? If a shop does not respond to a review, that's the same shop that probably is not going to respond to you if you have a problem, even if you're standing at the counter. You want to look for a shop that has ASE certified technicians. All of our shops have ASE certified technicians, and then we have one master technician in every store, plus a service supervisor that is an A1 master tech that supervises the stores. So when there's a problem, we can identify it and we can solve it. One of the things we would highly recommend you do is go to the BBB website, and you're gonna see the shops that are not responding and taking care of their customers very quickly. You'll also see the A+ rated. And the other site that I love is narpro.com. That's Neighborhood Auto Repair Professionals. This is a group of shops that are all like-minded, they govern themselves, and they make sure that each other's customers are satisfied and taken care of. That would give you coverage throughout the Valley.